Hello, I'm Martin Kufner and I have here the demo of Eqmon with an underlying offline blockchain. So the demo is about constructing business which uses Eqmon to track the tools. So we have a constructing office on the left, the connected site at the top, and connection-less site, so no network coverage on the bottom. They hire a guy. This guy installs the Eqmon software. First thing is to get identified. So this Eqmon device now, like this phone now, has created an identification with their own passport picture and the keychain. The keychain has to be verified at the constructing office. So the guy goes to the constructing office, gets verified. So the construction office signs the phone's identity and keychain. So this phone and this owner is now known to the blockchain. Now they hire another guy. The other guy, also not known yet, has to go to the office, get identified. And now both are identified, but they don't have an information about each other. So, for example, one guy goes down underground, doesn't have a network connection, so also no connection to a central web server, and the same as well. And they meet underground, and they don't have, both didn't see each other before. But what they can do, they can pair the phones, they connect the phones, and then they see the image of the others on their own own phone and can identify or reject the other. So what happened is these two guys are now connected without having any information about them. Also, they didn't have the pictures of the others. It is all transferred via Bluetooth after connected by NFC. Now one guy wants to start to work. It goes to the tool shed and takes the tool, wants to borrow the tool. The tool has an NFC code, gets synchronized with the phone synchronizes with the tool shed and says, okay, I can borrow here. Okay, next step is they have to sign. All these kind of steps are registered in the blockchain. So now the signature and everything is connected to the blockchain. We see the guy has his tool disappeared from the tool shed. So he's working now. The other guy comes and says, I would like to have the Hilti to work with it. And so he scans the Hilti, says, okay, the owner is M1, so this phone, say I want to borrow. In this moment, the other guy gets an announcement, even if he didn't watch the tool, gets an announcement that somebody wants to borrow the tool. No problem now because it's tracked. He gets allow. Okay. The other signs, and at the moment the other signs is both say the message that they can transfer the tool. Okay. Let's imagine there is a third worker here. Gets certified. Goes down here. Wants now to get the tool, okay? And what happens is you're not allowed to take the tool because this person number 3 didn't connect to person number 2, so it's not known to person number 2. So they have here the person number 3 goes to person number 2, phones together. Is this the person you see? Certified means I've seen him in the office. Yes, yes, okay. And as soon as they are connected, this person can take make the borrow, allow, sign. Okay, so all get registered in the blockchain. The construction office doesn't know anything. So here we have the transactions known to, on the left side bottom, we have the transactions known to the constructing office. Now the first worker ends the shift, goes upstairs. In the moment they go upstairs, all the data, like the change data, is transferred. So person number 1, all the blockchain entries he has becomes a messenger from the underground to the live and transfers all the information known to him. And at the bottom we have here the tool ledger in version number 7. So this guy has 7 transactions recorded at the tool ledger. Now, second person goes up, and as soon as it goes up, we see serial number 9 here. So the next transaction to person number 3 is also recorded with this person. All the records before doesn't need to be synchronized because they all have synchronized already by person number 1. Now person number 1 brings back the tool. Say return tool, return. So tool is returned, and the shift goes up, and we have here serial number 11. So the blockchain is split up in individual transactions, and each transaction can be transferred or will be transferred as soon as the connection to the central office is open. And the interesting thing on this blockchain is it's offline capable, so you can follow up within phones, which each phone acts as a node, can follow up transactions with no network coverage, and as soon as it's online, all is synchronized. And additionally, this blockchain, each entry, each ledger entry is individual. So you don't need to transfer the whole blockchain. You can just transfer parts of the blockchain, which makes it much more efficient, especially on tiny devices. The goal on this is to make the blockchain so fast and so lean that you can actually put it, for example, on tags, and one tag is sticked to the tool, and the tool itself knows whom it belongs to. And the mobile phone scanning it becomes a data carrier to synchronize from offline to online. So this is a short demo of Eqmon, like the offline blockchain in a showcase of a tool rental system. Thank you very much.